guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how I can solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, this is a little different video, but I hope you guys can still enjoy this. And if you want a tutorial on how to solve it, let's get 20 likes and I'll post a tutorial. So guys, let's start mixing it up. Yeah, I'm gonna solve it real quick. Hope you guys enjoy. There you go, guys. Solved the Rubik's Cube for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. And like I said in the beginning, if you get 20 likes, I'll post this tutorial. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you guys on next time. Have a great day. Bye. Yeah.